Hey all, this is a quick review of the Tacklife multi-line laser. This is the model SC-L03. I actually have another one of these auto levelers, self-leveling multi-laser level things, and I liked it so much that I got this one, which is kind of an upgraded version of it because it has a 360 laser line, which is really nice. So let me show you what it looks like. It does come with batteries, which is great. It basically works straight out of the box. So inside you got this nice little pouch to keep everything nice and clean. Okay, so inside the pouch there are two things that, well, originally comes with a set of batteries, but I already used this thing and put the batteries inside. The batteries work great. So inside the pouch there are two things. One is the actual laser level, which is right here. The other thing comes with is this mount, which looks like this. On the bottom of the mount right there, there are two really strong magnets which you can attach to either corner anchors, brackets, you know, whatever it might be, something metallic. So for example, this thing is metallic, so it can attach to it without a problem. The other thing it can attach to is screws, or it has a tripod mount on it right here on the bottom. There's a little tripod mount for like cameras, and there's a bigger mount, so you can mount it in many different directions. And then the actual level gets screwed into the bottom right there, and it gets put on the mount, and then the mount gets placed somewhere else. So once the mount is attached, you can put it on any level surface, and it will at that point self-level. The way you turn it on is it has a little lock icon there. I'm not sure if that's visible or not, but anyway, just this thing is slides over, which then releases the laser level, and it shoots that nice little laser beam all around. And as you can see, the beam is fairly strong. It's only missing a piece there because this is in the way, but it's really nice. I mean, it levels everything out and does a nice 360 level of it, which is fantastic. What we're going to do is we're going to extend out that backing all the way around. So this is a really nice level. I'm going to move it a little bit higher up actually. And as you can see, what ends up happening is when you move it, when you tap it, it'll wobble a little bit, and then it'll again self-level. So it does have a crosshatch, which is nice in case you have to do a horizontal or vertical alignment. Okay, so that's actually a pretty decent leveling job right there. And again, the real big benefit of this is that it has the 360 view. So it's going all the way around, and it's going all the way in the front. So you can level a small space, you can level actually a fairly big room. The light is fairly strong, so I can even see it very easily in outside situations. It has a confirmation of leveling, so if I tilt it out of range, it'll start blinking on me because that means it can't auto level, which is pretty damn nice. I mean, I really like that. The other thing is it has a button on top, so I can remove the vertical line. And when I push it again, it'll actually remove the 360 line. It'll just have the vertical line right there, and push it again for the combo of vertical and horizontal line. So I've used this a bunch of times already. The level is super steady. It is on point every single time. Let me show you the mechanism, how it wobbles around. It's going to be hard to see. But anyway, so it's super steady. It's on point every single time whenever I nudge the leveler or move it for whatever reason. It always gravitates towards that same point, so it's fairly accurate. Oh, the other way of leveling it is right there. You got some screw holes that you can just hang it on the wall. You got two here and one up here. And again, the really nice thing about the SC-L03 is that it is self-leveling, so I don't have to walk around with one of those big levelers. And the other thing that I really like is the locking mechanism. If it does get some dust on it or something, I just use a shop vac or maybe some compressed air to get that crap out of there, which is really handy. The front is also glass, so again, really easy to clean. Overall, I really like the design of it. It feels super sturdy. It definitely feels like it's going to last for a while. Anyway, highly recommend it. Enjoy.